Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Epidemic sound to license tracks for edits, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Epidemic Sound website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, explore the main dashboard. Click on the Music tab to browse available tracks. Use the search bar to find specific genres, moods, or instruments. Select a track that catches your interest. Click on the track to view its details. From here, you can listen to a preview of the track. If satisfied, look for the License button. Click the License button to access licensing options. Choose the type of license that suits your project. Review the terms and conditions associated with your chosen license. Once you've read the terms, confirm your selection. Proceed to checkout to finalize your purchase. Make the payment using your preferred method. After the payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to your Epidemic Sound dashboard to find your licensed tracks. You can download the track directly from the dashboard. Store the track in a designated folder for easy access. Import the track into your video editing software. Ensure you properly credit Epidemic Sound in your project. Now you're ready to use your licensed track in your edits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.